What's going on, Internet Land? This is Ken Brown, Spy Millionaires, and I wanted to shoot this real quick training video today on a new system called US Lead Club. Now, my coach and mentor, Greg Napier, turned me on to this, and he told me, I found this new system. You get guaranteed leads every day. You get to correspond or engage with these leads, and it sounded good at first, but once Greg showed me his results, I was blown away. He's getting between 135 to 200 leads a day, and he's able to correspond with these leads every day via email. And just looking at his open rate, it blew me away. 135 leads a day, and Greg right now, Greg's getting 60 and 70% open rate of these emails. So that right there impacted me because you always hear from people all the time how people join you in the business, not the opportunity. They're joining you. They like you. They engage with you. They're able to develop rapport with you, but ultimately they join that business because of you. So this gives you a chance to get guaranteed leads every day, and you're able to send out emails to these leads giving value on personal development, on all kinds of different things, and then ultimately redirect them into your primary business or your opportunity. So I'm going to show you today what I've been doing to engage for the past 2 days with the audience. So I've only sent out one email yesterday. Okay, and I'm going to show you that right now, right here in mail history. Okay, so I signed up with Greg yesterday. I got my first set of leads yesterday, 135 leads. I sent out an email, 5 simple things successful entrepreneurs do, and I got 7 people in the past 24 hours that have opened that email already. Okay, so I got another set of 135 leads today, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to send an active email today and show you guys how to do it. So 7 people out of 135 have opened that email, 5.19%. That's my open rate just for that 135 leads that I have. Now, keep in mind, you're getting 135 leads every single day. Okay, so today I've only got 135 from yesterday. I got another 135 today. So when I send out that email today, that's going to be what, 270 active people that are going to get a detailed email from me regarding some value, and I'm going to bump them over to my primary opportunity. Okay, so let me show you how this works. So I'm going to go in here to Broadcaster. And there you go. You see, I got 135 leads yesterday, got 135 today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all. That way it adds all 270. You see that right there, 270 leads adds in right there. Okay. I've got my system set up to where in the from box it's going to say from Inspired Millionaires. Okay. So if you want to use your name, if you want to use your brand that you built, then you can use that. So my brand is Inspired Millionaires, so I'm going to send it from Inspired Millionaires. So when people open up their email, they'll see an email from Inspired Millionaires. Okay. Let me go back and show you the email from yesterday. Let me do that. So load that email from yesterday. Okay. So what happens is they got an email from me yesterday that has this, my branded banner at the top. It has a body for the email. It has a picture to correspond with this particular email. And then what I did is, notice in the very beginning it says 5 simple things successful entrepreneurs do daily. Okay, so what I did is I gave a little bit of value. Okay, so I got their mouth wet with just giving them just a little bit of what's going to go on in this email. But instead of giving them all 5, what I did is I put to continue reading link here. Okay, so inside the email, what's going to happen is when they click on continue reading here, that link automatically redirects them to a capture page to my primary business. Okay, down here I've got my custom signature, Kim Brown, my brand name, my phone number, and then this link here goes over to my blog. Okay, so I've noticed in the past couple years when I get emails in my inbox, a lot of times you'll get emails and it's a bunch of garbage, but just a whole bunch of writing. It doesn't stand out. I don't read those emails. When I get branded emails, they have a branded header picture, they have a picture corresponding with that email. It sparks my attention and makes me want to learn more about what's in that email, what they're talking about, the opportunity they have going on, so on and so on. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to create a brand new email. So what we're going to do, let me take all this out here. Okay, leave that in there. Okay, so I'm going to take one off my blog, a post off my blog, which is how to easily enjoy life in a way most people don't. Okay, so I'm going to take that header or subject, I'm going to paste it in there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first little bit of the post, copy that, I'm going to copy that in there. Okay, and on my blog that was centered, so I'm going to go up here and click centered, come down to the next part, and it was, let's see, all this right here. Whoops. Copy, and I'm going to come in, copy all that in here. Okay, so because I copied this from my blog, this automatically hyperlinks. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to take this hyperlink out of here. Okay, so it's not hyperlinked no more. I don't want that hyperlink, so I'm going to come in here and take this out. Now when you guys already have stuff set up, and when you're just manually typing this in, you won't have hyperlinks. Okay, so bam, I got my first post in here. Let me go back and center this. Okay, so remember, I want to put my custom header in there. Okay, so some of you guys have blogs. Let me come over here to my blog, go through my library, and you can upload a picture from your blog in there, because when you come in here and you want to upload pictures, let me scroll down and come in here, and you see this information in here. There's no picture icon up here, but if you click on right click and it says add or insert image, you got to have the source code, or what that means, you got to have the URL for that picture. Okay, because keep in mind, this is not a hosting system where you can host images. Okay, so if you come back over here to your blog, I've got my header already uploaded inside here. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, copy the URL for that image. I'm going to come back over here to USA Leads. I'm going to right click, insert image, paste it right there. It automatically puts the dimensions of that post in here. The average email, whether it's Google, Yahoo, whatever, the average email and width, the dimension and width is always 600 as the average. Okay, just to have a number to work off of. So I've pasted my URL in there. I'm going to click enter. We're okay. I'm going to center this. Now what you can do is, people love to click on pictures. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hyperlink this image also. Okay, So what I'm going to do is, those of you guys that are in my primary opportunity or Greg's primary opportunity, inside of your marketing system that you're using, I did a training before showing you guys how to um, use SR variables to track where your particular leads come from. Okay, so this email that I'm doing is how to easily enjoy life in the ways most people don't. So what I'm going to do is, this is a link to one of my capture pages. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to change this right here to life most don't email. Okay, so that way when somebody comes in and opts into my capture page from this email, I'll know for a fact they came from the leads I got from this system and from this particular email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image so it turns blue. I'm going to click on the hyperlink and I'm going to click and paste that URL there. And then what I'm going to do is, as a title, I'm going to put click here. A lot of times you'll know new window, and a lot of times you'll know if you ever opened up an email and when you scroll over a picture, a word pops up. See how it says click here? So unconsciously, when people see click here, they'll click on it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here. Remember, I've got this picture right here that I want to add in there. Okay. So because this is already on my blog, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to copy image URL. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here in front of the word mini. I'm going to right click, insert image, type that URL in again, and I'm going to click OK. Alright. So now what just happened is, you see, just threw it in and it's kind of not sitting in front of my words. So what you want to do is, once you put your picture that you have inside your text, come up here and click assign left, and then now it throws it in between the words for you. So now everything's sitting nice and neat. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and make this a little bit smaller. I don't like huge pictures inside my post. I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. Alright, there we go. Alright, so perfect. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to copy the URL to my capture page and hyperlink this picture also. So that way, if their mouse scrolls over this picture, it's going to open up the capture page. Okay. Keep in mind, I'm trying to engage with these leads in this system and give them value, but ultimately I'm engaging to get them to come over to my primary business. Okay, so I hyperlink this picture, which is my banner. Let me scroll up. I hyperlink this picture that's inside the actual email, and then I'm going to come down and then I'm going to hyperlink the continue reading. Okay, click the hyperlink icon. I'm going to change that to my capture page, and I'm going to type in click here. I'm going to click in open new window, and there we are. I'm going to scroll this up just a little bit, which is my signature. Okay, so there we are. I've got a brand new email composed. Remember in the very beginning, I added all the leads, which right now I got 270. I'm sending it from my name or my brand. I put a subject in here. I'm sorry, subject in right here. Okay, and then down here, here's the body of the email. So I got my branded logo. I got a snippet of the message. Here's the picture to go with it. I hyperlinked both my banner and the picture. And you can see right there where it says click here. So you see it is hyperlinked. Go to my capture page. I hyperlink the continue reading to go over to my capture page, and then I put a signature in Okay. So if I want to preview it, there you go. That's what it's going to look like inside their email. Just that clean, just that neat. Okay. So I'm going to click on send. Give it a second here. And there it is. Congratulations, your message is currently being delivered to 270 people. Okay. So what's going to happen is if I come back in here later on and click on mail history, I'm going to see I might have some more that opened the email from yesterday, but then it'll show me in here later on today or tomorrow whenever I check again, based off a total now of 270. It's going to show you how many people opened that email and what the conversion rate for the most read for that email out of 270. Again, this is an amazing system. Greg turned me on to this. You're getting a guaranteed, at the minimum, 135 leads every single day that you can engage with. Okay. One more thing I want to show you guys. If you guys don't have a blog that you can upload your pictures to get the image URL, there's a free service called PhotoBucket. Okay, PhotoBucket's totally free, and you can upload pictures inside PhotoBucket. Here's a picture I have uploaded here. Let me open that real quick. You upload your pictures inside PhotoBucket, and then right over here on the side, you want this is the URL you want to use, the one that says direct. So you click on that, and it says copied, and then now you've got wrong page. You've got the URL for that particular image. So this is Ken Brown, Greg Napier. We want to show you guys how to use this system, USA Leads Club, where you're getting a guaranteed minimum amount of 135 leads a day, and this gives you a chance to engage with these leads every day via email, but customize your emails to where you're redirecting these people to your primary opportunity and being able to track your primary opportunity. So hope this helped you guys. If you got any questions, definitely connect with us, Greg Napier and Ken Brown, and we'll see you guys on the next video.